Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to explore powerful strategies that can help you climb the ladder in your career as a maintenance engineer. We're going to focus on 4 key areas, including reliability, expertise, leadership skills, and certification. These strategies are designed to help you stand out in your field and achieve real results. So whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this video will provide valuable insights to help you succeed. Let's get started. Let's dive into some key strategies to help you advance in your career as a maintenance engineer. Given the technical and specialized nature of this role, you'll need to set yourself apart as an expert in your field. Here are some tactics to help you achieve that. Firstly, let's talk about reliability. One of your main roles as a maintenance engineer is ensuring the plant's equipment is in solid working order. By implementing preventive maintenance strategies and engaging in specialized repair tasks, you can improve the reliability of your plant. This is a crucial step towards advancing your career. If you can demonstrate that you can reduce downtime and optimize maintenance tasks, you'll prove that you are capable of achieving real results. Next, let's focus on becoming an expert. To achieve those results, you will need a great deal of expertise. This means you should never stop learning. Keep up with new methodologies, software developments, and technologies, and constantly find ways to implement them into your plant's processes. Essentially, don't be content with the status quo. Keep developing with your industry. Moving on, let's discuss the importance of learning management skills. Beyond the technical aspects of your occupation, you'll want to develop your leadership skills. In larger operations, maintenance engineers typically manage teams of technicians. So if that's your situation, you have the ideal setup to develop leadership skills. These include decision-making, communication, delegation, confidence, integrity, and creativity. If you're working in a smaller operation, you can still practice these skills as you interact with others. Additionally, many organizations offer management training, so take advantage of that. Finally, let's talk about getting certified. As you set yourself apart professionally, certification can take your efforts to the next level. One common certification for maintenance engineers is the CRE, or Certified Reliability Engineer, designation from the American Society for Quality. To get this certification, applicants need to meet certain experience and education requirements while also possessing the knowledge needed to pass an exam. You might also find other certifications specific to your industry. These can particularly help you stand out in your field as you work to distinguish yourself from your competition. So there you have it. By focusing on reliability, becoming an expert, learning management skills, and getting certified, you can set yourself apart as a maintenance engineer and advance in your career. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered key strategies to help you succeed as a maintenance engineer, including focusing on reliability, becoming an expert, developing leadership skills, and getting certified. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams succeed, visit us at upkeep.com. See you in the next video.